In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can remove battery cover from GoPro Black 11. You need to flip over this side on here and you will see the latch over there. So you need to pull this really. You can use your nail, but yeah, make sure that you guys are carefully removing this. What you guys wanted to do here is you need to pull up just like this and you will see this red, it's coming. Now you need to do like that. This is how you can open this battery door. Now you guys are able to remove this battery, or you can also charge from here. To remove the battery, all you need to do is pull this battery just like that. Here you go, we have a battery, and you can also put in your battery if you wanted to. Like, you can swap any battery you guys have, and you can also plug in your charger, or you can also connect to your computers as well. You can see that it will blink this red light. And if you wanted to connect to computer, after you guys have connected to this USB, which I have done on my computer right now, just hold on the power button and it will detect a USB connected just like that. And you can also see the pop-up on your computer. It's gonna say Hero 11 or whatever. You can see that right over there. You guys can see that Hero 11. Well, this is it, guys. This is how you guys can connect your computer, remove battery, charging, and also remove this cover. Once you guys are done, you can remove and you can simply press this, all right, and it's gonna stick it just like that. I hope this video helps you out on removing the battery case on this GoPro. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace.